Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Aditya and you're watching Urbane Techie. Today we're going to be checking out the Honor Watch ES, a budget smartwatch which I've come to love during my few days of use. The easiest way to describe this device would be to say that it's a mini smartphone display. The rectangular tall display is definitely unique and an upgrade in terms of screen size. There's more content on the screen and the scrolling seems quite natural thanks to the curved display. The bezels are minimal and quickly fade into the background while viewing the display. There's a plastic button on the right of the screen which is also rectangular in shape. It's a bit hard to reach, but it doesn't cut into the wrist due to its position while working out. The whole frame of the watch is plastic but does not feel fragile in the hand. The strap that comes in the box is soft and an old school design. The clasps are quite easy to clip on and the almost camouflaged Honor logo on the band is a nice touch. Overall, the comfort factor of wearing this device I would say is around 7 out of 10. I prefer my smartwatches a bit heftier and prefer the quick release type watch bands like the one on the Apple Watch. But this is a personal preference and a minor gripe. The display is 1.64 inches AMOLED with full touch capability. It has a pixel resolution of 456 by 280 with a PPI of 326. The colors are deep and lively, the blacks are solid as you would expect from an AMOLED, and most of all it has always on display, which is a superb addition in this price range. The display also supports raise to wake and the response time is just amazing. Although if you turn on the always on feature, the raise to wake function gets turned off by default. The display also has automatic brightness adjustment, which is a feature that's reserved for premium devices. It's not the brightest display under direct sunlight, but it's definitely good enough for outdoor use. The smartwatch comes with heaps of features. There's continuous heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitor, sleep monitoring, stress monitoring, breathing exercises, and more. There is over 120 exercise modes advertised and all the major ones are accounted for. There is yoga, running, outdoor running, indoor running, swimming, rowing, elliptical, to name a few. There's even an option titled Another to cover the miscellaneous ones. The fitness courses found on the watch, which give you a visual demo of each exercise, is just something you wouldn't expect from a budget smartwatch. All the data can be viewed in Huawei Health app and I have mine linked to Google Fit app too. There is also music control through the watch for the songs playing on the phone. By installing a third-party application called Maps for Honor Band, you can actually get map directions on your watch. Sadly, it's just directions and distance and not a mini tiny map on my screen like I was expecting, but still, it is an amazing feature to have. There is a huge collection of watch faces that can be changed and customized to your liking via the app. You can even store a few of them on the watch itself to mix and match whenever you please. The inbuilt features like alarm, timer, stopwatch, etc. are so handy that you will use them on a daily basis without reaching for your phone as often. My favorite feature is the flashlight, which I found is incredibly useful because I don't always have my phone on me when I walk into a dark room. The fact that this smartwatch makes you use your phone even less is a win in and of itself. The UI is a pleasant surprise. I faced no stuttering or lag while checking out the features on the watch. You can navigate around the UI using finger swipes, which are snappy and quick to the touch. Swiping up from the bottom nets you notifications such as messages from apps. Swiping down brings the control center and shortcut menu. Swiping from either side gives you daily step count and statistics, heart rate monitoring, music playback, stress monitoring, and weather. All the icons are colorful and match the Huawei phone UI. The only negative I noticed was that there was no option to silence the calls via the watch. Clearing app notifications on the watch also need to be refined. These are small problems that can be fixed via an OT update, which I really hope the company can provide sooner than later. In classic Huawei fashion, the charging on this device is magnificent. The device charges from 0 to 70 in 30 minutes and completely full in over 50 minutes, give or take. As for the battery life, with sleep tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring and constant notifications on, I got around 6 days of usage. I noticed that turning on the always on display gave me around 3 days of total usage. I personally prefer the battery life over the convenience of always on display, so I'm refraining from using that feature for long periods of time, but it's still there for those who want it. The charging pin is proprietary and there is no wireless charging, which is expected considering the price range. Although the watch was launched at 7,999 back in September 2020, you can now find it on Amazon for 4,999. The problem I faced most is stock shortage, as the watch is barely in stock most of the days on Amazon or Flipkart. Whenever I would search for this product, Amazon would show me the same product but in its renewed store, and on Flipkart it would just show me out of stock. To call this device a smartwatch is a stretch, as it lacks basic auto reply to messages, no accessible storage to store songs, or even a speaker to take calls. The device is a glorified fitness band, packed with the best features of a smartwatch. The display is a joy to look at and use. The battery life is excellent. For any fitness enthusiast, this watch is all they need. For the casual user who needs an excellent display with good functionality, this watch is easily recommended. Either way, for a price of 4,999, this device brings a lot more features than its competition in this price range. This is definitely a great buy. I hope the video helped you. Do consider subscribing to the channel for more videos just like this one. I hope you're staying safe and indoors. Until next time, bye.